Hi guys, welcome to Memo's tutorials. Today we are focusing on the visual defects, visual defects. You know, the issues that we come across when looking at things. We'll start off with short-sightedness. You know, on short-sightedness, what happens is this person can actually see near objects clearly, and the other name for short-sightedness, we say it's myopia, right? So when someone's suffering from myopia, we're saying this person can actually see closer objects clearly. All right, so meaning to say when objects are a bit far, this person cannot see clearly, right? So what's the nature of the defect? So what happens is we have the inability of lens to become more flat, right? So the eyeball is longer than normal. The person's eyeball is actually longer than normal, and the lens, they become they fail to become flat. Okay, and here lens bends the light rays too much. The bending of light rays is too much. So as a result, it falls in front of the retina. It falls in front of the retina instead of reaching the retina. It falls in front of the retina. I'm sure you can see here. You see? You know, the retina is this part. And all the light rays, you know, they are here. This is in front of the retina. They are not going the normal way to the point. They're not going to the retina. Okay, this causes the image to be blurry. You know, the person cannot see distant objects clearly because they are not focused properly to the person's retina. You know, the light rays, you know, they are being dropped just in front of the retina. They will see that it's a person that's coming, but they will not be able to give you the details to say he's wearing a navy blue shirt and maybe pink techies. They will not be able to give those finer details because everything to them, it's kind of blurry when it's a bit far, right? But then how can we correct this? It can be corrected by wearing glasses with converging by concave lens. So these converging by concave lens, they are replacing the inability of the person's lens to become flat. So now when we're using this converging by concave lens, you know, I'm sure you can see the concave lens here. Now the images, whatever the light that is being sent, it is sent, you know, straight to our retina, just on our retina, right? Then now the person can be able to see. But when we take off their glasses, then we'll have a problem. They will have a blurry vision. Okay, but then that was for nearsightedness. Then we have people who are long sighted. These people with long sightedness, objects that are far away can be seen clearly. So this is now called hyperopia. It's not longer myopia, it's now hyperopia. So these people that are hyperopia, they can actually see distant things clearly than closer things. So this is caused by the inability of lens to become more convex, meaning in this case the eyeball is shorter than normal. They have a shorter eyeball than the normal eyeball, which is the opposite of nearsightedness people. And here the lens does not bend light rays enough. They don't bend light rays enough. So as a result, it falls behind the retina. I'm sure you can see on the diagram. The light rays that are now behind our retina. Instead of being focused on here on the retina, they are now behind the retina. That's what even making it easier for them to see things that are very far. Because when things are very, very far, instead of going behind the retina, it will be focused on the retina. But when it's closer, the light rays will go beyond. You see? So at the end of the day, when something is closer, they will not be able to see it clearly, right? So this causes the image to be blurry. They cannot see closer objects. And then how can we correct this? We can actually correct it by wearing glasses with converging lens. These are the how the convex lens will look like. It's like they bring back the light to properly focus on the retina, not to go all the way beyond the retina, right? We have what we call astigmatism. Here the curvature of the lens or cornea is uneven, resulting in distorted images. We'll be having problems with our lens and the cornea. So at the end of the day, the visions that we get, the images, they'll be distorted. But then the glasses with lenses shaped to correct the distortion, they will actually help, right? Take note, the glasses that are shaped to correct the distortion of images will actually help. We have what we call cataracts. Here on cataracts, lens becomes cloudy and opaque. You know, cloudy lens, with this one, you just need surgery to replace the lens with a synthetic lens, right? So once your lens, they become cloudy, then we have a problem. Surgery will be the solution, okay? Hopefully you guys are benefiting from these videos. For more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe and also to click the notification button.